we have here in the studio is a special surprise. I've already half cut it open, and I realized that I actually wasn't doing a review on this. So my last review on Cobra Commander was a while back, but here's another. Look at this guy. So, one second, I'm gonna go get the other Cobra Commander. If I can find my way. Wearing motorcycle boots, so you're gonna hear me clunking. Trying to break them in. Okay. Should have done this before, but there he is there. Make sure I'm in the screen. I got me on this black mat. Oh! Alright. So we all remember the old Cobra Commander. Hey, what's that? Well, this one is a new Cobra Commander. Model number 1006 Cobra Commander. He's pretty cool looking. See if we get the box there, yeah. Very cool on the back way they've done all the art, stuff like this. Kind of reminds me of like World War I stuff, World War II stuff, World War whatever stuff in the G.I. Joe world. It's pretty cool. Anyway, well, let's get to the Ultimate. I only paid $10 for this. So, let's open it up. You guys stand back here, buddy. It's not your time now. Cobra! Alright. I got my other Cobra Commander card somewhere, but... And as before, I'm not even going to read this or say what that is because I made a huge screw up last time. Thanks, Wizard. Anyway, so he's a brilliant leader. He's got a his tank, dangerous weapon that will help him expand his empire. Alright. Oh, I see. This battle in a mask that uses sunlight to power his cybernetic armor. As a showdown with G.I. Joe team begins in the desert. He sends his new tanks in for the final attack. You know where he wouldn't work out well? 30 Days of Night. He'd be screwed. Wouldn't have a choice. He'd be like, man, it's dark out here, man. Alright, so. Kind of cool packaging. I'm gonna save that. Probably for about 10 minutes to throw it out. But anyway, I went through all the work here. I saved all the cutting so you wouldn't see any blood in case I cut my fingers. Alright, let's take a look at this. Special. Ooh. Drink. Special. Ooh. Alright, so let's see what he comes with here. First he comes with his little stand. Guess what this is for? That's right, a stand. He puts his feet on it. Oh crap, they used more tape. Give me a second here. Kids, don't cut yourself. Always ask for the parents' permission, or just have them do it and let them cut themselves. And you can play while they go to the hospital. Okay, so, let's see. We got a cool, I think it's like a triangulated shotgun. Multi-gun, railgun. Don't know, he's cybernetic. It could be really anything. Shoot popcorn out of that, babe. We don't know. I didn't watch that episode. Whoa! Alright, this is kind of cool. So the old commander here has that snake. This one has this. Can you see that? The light's kind of weird in here. Here, that's it. Okay, so he's got the Staff of Awesomeness. Little gun over here. I actually had to glue all this guy's stuff in because it kept falling out, so I'll probably do the same with this. I can only hope this is like the $1 million G.I. Joe that you're not supposed to cut open, and now it's worth shit. Little gun. Ready? Pew pew! Pew! No, I won't shoot you. Pew 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 pew! I won't shoot the visitors, the watchers. Okay, let's get this guy out of here. Nice. Cybernetic. So he can like move his head. Like, yo, what's up, man? I'm not like my dumb brother over there.
Man, what's up, man? Don't say that.
Shut up, brother. Now this guy has the cool same baggy pants, like him, but his cape on the other hand is tailored fit. Little Cobra symbol on the back there. This guy's slick. There's something going on. This guy knows about it. Alright, so let's see if we can put him on. Nice jacket. Very textured. I don't know what that is. It's like a steampunk kind of thing. I guess he's all type of steampunk here. Cape's purple underneath. And he's got this cool CCI underneath his jacket that doesn't come off. More steampunk stuff. Of course, you can't. The hella mask there. So we get close to. No, don't get confused. This isn't Terminator. Put you on that stand, buddy. All right, 1 foot. That doesn't work. Kind of weird. There we are. Doesn't really look too happy about that stance. We can make him look more actiony. No, he's just kind of stand-up guy, you know. He's like, yo, what's up, man? Where's my staff? My staff of awesomeness. What hands that go into? You tell me. Dick. Okay. Well, I guess we get to choose. So, come on, that one, that one, that one, that one. I think we'll go for. What's so tough to say? Alright, where's his gun go then? Do you want the small hand? Oh, wait a minute, hold on. Aha! Little gun? Pretty cool, actually. It's like the little cricket off Men in Black. It was right over here. Look at that. Right there. Can't see it because it's black and it's on his black leg, but it's there. If I get it into the camera, it's such an odd angle. I got the camera over here, and I gotta like look down there, and it's all excuses I'm making just because I can. Stop it! Man, stop it! Staying alive, staying alive. Cybernetic alive, cybernetic alive. Oh, now okay. Whoa, he's got some really crazy feet now. Look at that. I am Cobra. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. So let's put, let's see if this gun goes. Kind of a really front-heavy gun. Weird. Go on this side? I can't tell here. We got, it's always tough, you know? Oh, we got little hands. Yeah, I guess, yeah, that's alright. Yeah, it looks pretty badass. His legs all buggered up there. All dickered up. Got the word dick and dickered from Cousin Corby. Thanks, Corby. Been saying it all day. Okay, so, Staff of Awesomeness. It actually has a little handle here so you can hold on to it. I'm excited here. Whoa! That is awesome. Stand up, buddy. Come on. Cobra Commander, you. Lay down on the job. Alright, so let's get a close up of him. Grab the camera, one of my hands. Gun. See the back of him here. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, wrong one. Gijoe. There, that's a little better. Lights here's funky. They're like they're brothers, right? So they're like, yo, what's up, man? Let's go for a beer. Yeah, I don't drink beer. Oh, why don't you drink beer? I don't want to drink beer. Alright, well, whatever, let's go pick up some chicks, dude. Alright, yeah, we can definitely do that. Alright, let's do it. Go. Okay, so this isn't really part of the video, but I just wanted to show we got a visitor today. Well, we got a visitor. Who's that? Hi, guys. What's up? Lionel in the house. We all got swords, dude. This is awesome. I even got like a spare hand with another sword here. It's kind of gruesome, but I got it. Anyway, so Lionel, can you get out of this shot? Okay, yeah, sure, man. Just see ya. Bye. Bye. Go. Get. Anyway, so that is the unboxing of the new cybernetic Cobra Commander. I think he's pretty badass, and he has a special place in my heart and on my shelf. I mean, you got the badass Cobra Commander original, the new guy that's cybernetic from whatever age. Weird. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. And we got maybe more stuff coming in. We're not sure. I know. Oh, sorry. I know. Oh, sorry. All right. Talk to you guys later. Meh, bye. Oh, sleepy time. Dumb brother. Have a good night, guys. Thumbs up. Yo.